On this week's Inventory Spotlight, we take a look at this 2021 Bullitt 331 BHS by Keystone RV. Whether you're embarking on a cross-country road trip or simply escaping for the weekend, this travel trailer offers the perfect blend of luxury, comfort, and convenience. Take the cooking outdoors with the convenient outdoor kitchen, perfect for enjoying meals while taking in the views and surroundings. Step inside and be greeted by a spacious and inviting interior that seamlessly combines modern design with practical functionality. Starting in the heart of the trailer, the living area. Sink into the plush, residential-style furniture, perfect for lounging or entertaining guests. The kitchen is equipped with stainless steel appliances and ample counter space for preparing delicious meals on the go. This central kitchen and living area is the perfect place to gather and socialize with family and guests. After a long day of adventure, retreat to the master bedroom sanctuary. The queen-sized bed promises a restful night's sleep, while abundant storage solutions keep your belongings organized and easily accessible. There's a second private door to the main bathroom, making access easy while getting ready for another day of fun. The bathroom features a radiused corner shower with textured glass doors, mirrored vanity sink, and porcelain toilet. Above the shower, there's a vented skylight allowing for lots of natural lighting, and a ceiling-to-floor linen cabinet just to the side. The four-person dinette is a cozy place to have dinner, play some games, or convert to a sleeping lounging area for even more options. At the rear of this trailer, your family will love the private bunkhouse, complete with lots of cozy sleeping accommodations and play space for the kids. With 3 separate bunk areas, there's room for everyone. Whatever your destination, you'll truly appreciate all the freedom, comfort, and relaxation that this exceptional camper trailer offers. Experience the adventure of a lifetime in style with the Bullitt 331 BHS. We have hundreds of quality pre-owned, recreational vehicles in stock. Come see this, and a whole lot more, at RV Depot.